How to enable or disable precise location and App Store on iPhone X. And okay guys, sir, in your mobile phone, go to Settings. In Settings, scroll down and go to App Store. In App Store, you can see the location on Allow App Store to access. Okay, you can tap this. And there in location, okay, you can see here the precise location. And on the right side of this, you can see the switch button. And okay guys, the precise location is disabled. To enable this, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. If this turn on or enable, allow apps to use your specific location. With this setting of apps can only determine your approximate location. And okay guys, we have successfully enabled. And to disable again, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, we have successfully enabled or disabled precise location and App Store on iPhone X.